And finally, Prophet Rev Owusu Bempah, man of the moment, obedient comma afa. Omane Boamah, any mutra Muhammad said, Omatwan and Ewan said, Efa plena a crash, you know. Prophet, Edin see me about 3 months. Oh, friend, Omane Boamah, friend, na. Senk will can't send me that about Omane Amfa. And I say, Omane Amfa, no better than Quanya. Of course, His Excellency the President, John Mahama, a free accident, no. Emo, I Penyah block media. That's why I say need emo. Over like his video, no, that my subscribe button is not back to the keep notification and latest updates. Not back to the wire and their mammy. Ewo comments and she must rise over so. No, she been for so any be ash. A day to one chemo a sea, we call the term I see August 2025 year. I guess a helicopter, Ghana Armed Forces, helicopter, a crash, a will Adanse bro field, Emma, a curiosity, Omane Boamah, the Nipa 8. Kinana na Numia Twan, I once said, Anna 8 no. Not Defense Minister, Eddie Muntent, Makanhubi. Environment Minister, not honors, I can wear honorable Mutala. Now, Obia trans, now Owusu Bempah, who was according to Owusu Bempah, to say, oh, no, Ghana, you know, say, Yammy the Ghana, you know, she knows Bempah, so all her Ghana. It don't have her Ghana, it never was a Owusu Bempah, well, who are now with it, a dreno, a dodge, and that day. Owusu Bempah, who ye, it don't be able to remove. Oh, from Omane Boamah, friend, hey, one friend the bear, Bosumi, and send ye, Omane Boamah, and fan call. No bet you a quanya of faso. A save Mahama, a free, a sign, any attention way.
He was losing.
They can't somewhere bodily. No, and yami.
No other gods.
Obian one man yamia beno, and yaminum abeno. Sayan sumai.
Whether they are idols,
amontia,
or dwarfs,
marine spirits,
or marine spirits,
demons,
or demons.
I bet me a chicken up popo. Abraham meaning to me, sonny. There be a Mikaria, no master car to us. Opa, Jimmy, Opa, so I mean, but time will tell. Men force you, said Jiddy.
I am not forcing you to believe it.
Opa, Jiddy, Opa, menini, and your force.
If you want to believe it, that's up to you. You want to doubt it, it is also up to you.
No problem.
If you want to insult me because of what I have said, you can go ahead. But this earth whereon we dwell, and the spirits in this nation, they know that what I have said is true. Absolutely true. I am not bragging, but I am speaking in power. I am demonstrating power.
Any power them hand tell me voice. May you sure say a life to Ghana for you now betty. Now obisa over to me no person try. My man crying on try.
Now I believe all Ghanaians are listening. Apart from you seated here, the service is live. All Ghanaians are listening. And if there is anybody that claims he's got power more than the power of God,
also you are paying for. Also you are paying for the provoke me. Who is who?
Now, if you believe that you have more power, which is not God's power, just throw a challenge or cause me to be upset, and let's see whether there is power. Do not be deceived by my looks.
What enchantment?
Now you are going to use enchantments.
What is satanic powers?
You are going to use Satan's powers.
But me the divinity.
But I will come in the power of divinity.
The universal Father.
I will come in the power of the universal Father.
The Creator.
The Creator of
the whole universe.
The Creator of the universe.
No more galaxies.
The one who created the galaxies.
No more planets.
And created the planets. And made the sun. And made the moon. The stars in the heavens. The earth. Water bodies and powers that dwell therein. And the animals that swim in the, you see the vast sea which we can see, and the depths of the sea, the powers that dwell therein, and all the fishes that there, all that is beneath the earth. things in the spiritual world
ɛne deɛ wɔho nam a yɛde anim
and things in the physical world which are visible.
ɛmframa
The wind,
ɔhome
breath,
ɛnkwa
life,
ɛne owuo
and death.
asase ase
Beneath
mineral
the
sɛ wɔ hɔ
crust of
nnua
the earth,
nhoma
the minerals,
nhaban
the trees,
north east south and west
creeping plants, the cardinal points, north, east,
from
south, and
Ghana
west.
Togo to America
From Ghana to Togo to America.
biribibia
Everything.
wɔyɛ in charge
The person in
na
charge
ɔfrɛ ma ne baeɛ no
who commanded them
ɛyɛ
to
ɔno ne din mu
existence.
na megyina mede kasa yi
It is the name of that God I speak to you.
ɔno na no ɔne Eli adam no
Now, that was the God who was on the side of Elijah.
saa nyame a meka
Now, this God I'm talking about,
ɔnyɛ Israelfoɔ nko a Nyankopɔn
he is not the God of the Israelites alone.
nti meme mfrɛ no Israel Nyankopɔn
So I will not just call him the God of Israel.
ɔnyɛ Amerikafoɔ nko a
He
Nyankopɔn
is not the God of Americans
ɔnyɛ
alone.
Russiafoɔ nko a
He is
Nyankopɔn
not the God of Russians.
ɔnyɛ Spainfoɔ nko a
He is
Nyankopɔn
not the God of the Spanish people.
ɛna ɔnyɛ
alone.
Ghanafoɔ nko a
And
Nyankopɔn
he is not the God of
ɔnyɛ
Ghanaians alone.
Nigeriafoɔ nko a
He is
Nyankopɔn
not the God of Nigerians
but
alone.
wɔyɛ universal father
But he is the universal father.
ɛmoa nyinaa ɔna yɛɛ
He is the creator of all animals.
ɛnipa nyinaa ɔna nweneɛ
He is the creator of all men.
millions
The millions of men.
billions
The billions of men.
uncountable
Things which are in their numbers and are uncountable.
oni ahyɛseɛ oni awieɛ
He's got no beginning or ending.
ne huohu ato ɛsɛn sɛ bi koraa so ɔni hɔ
Now, this God is so strange that some people believe that this God doesn't exist.
because ne angels ne elders a ɔno ɔmo wɔ ahemfie baako mu mpo ɔmo hu ne da
Because even his angels and the elders who dwell in heaven with him have not seen him.
ɔmo te ne nka so ɔmo hu no
Yes, they know his presence. They feel his presence, but they have not yet seen him.
Elias mu ni kan nya mo deɛ
Elijah said, go ahead, take the lead, start.
ɔmo kyekyere no ɔsan
So while they started and they were putting things together,
Ɔsi, so far as
binding
I'm
things
in
was
the
losing
hole.
them. He
so
said,
far as I'm in
so
you
long as I am here,
deɛ mo yɛ no ɛnya dwuma
what you are doing will not be successful.
sɛ yɛ obi sɛ
Now, if anybody
ɔwɔ
thinks
tumi
that he's got power,
nti obetumi ayi leader a ɔwɔ Ghana ha afiri asase wɔ ese so a ɛyɛ agoro na ɔdi
if anybody believes that he's got power, so he can use his evil power to take the life, to take a leader or choose a leader, that person is joking.
sɛ president bɛwu who
Or
told you
to take the life of the president,
Oh my God.
that's a joke.
ɛm sɛ monim deɛ ɛkɔ so ɛnyɛ nsɛm nyinaa na yɛka ɔsɔfo tie me menkaa sɛ obi bɛn me a ɔnwu da o
Now, I am not saying that if there is anybody who is very close to me, that person will never die.
ba nea ne berɛ nsoeɛ
But if it is not yet your time,
na onyame de no bɛhyɛ me ntaban kɛseɛ no ase
who God has brought to dwell under my wings,
sɛ owura owuo mu mpo a ɔbɛsɛ apie
even if that person is in the mouth of death, that person will come out again.
agye sɛ nnipa no yɛ asoɔden
Unless the person is disobedient, obstinate, hardened heart, stiff-necked.
ɔmo kɔmande ɔmo mfrɛ no Eli ayɛ kɔmande twe ɔmo ba fam
Now, as they were performing their rituals and they were ascending in the spiritual realm, Elijah was drawing them down.
ɔsɔfo time a na ɔma pani bi te Ghana akonnwa so
Now, in a certain time when we used to have a certain president,
mehyɛ me dɛ me bedroom
I was in my room, my bedroom.
me fie so hɔ nhyɛ da nyɛ fɛ biara saa
Now, and the house where I live is not very nice.
nti nkanyɛ baabi koraa ɔsɛ nkanyame ta aba hɔ
So it's not a place God should visit very often.
They call me here any airport residential.
Because my house is not in airport residential.
I want Jengano.
I live at Adringano.
Me fear and Kramisi Yache, say, no. I ate it latest.
Now, I built my house years ago, so it's not as new as some of the new house we have. I was in my room.
No me fastings.
I was not fasting.
No me mom payo.
I was not even praying.
And a divinity smile. Emma na home visited me.
And divinity dispatched his spirits to visit me. God bears me witness.
Me say.
And the Spirit of the Lord said to me,
sometime no.
About that time, that person who was the leader of Ghana, at that time it was Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. And the Spirit of the Lord came to me and said to me, my servant, take a look at this. And so I took a look. And I saw the firmament of heaven. And I saw a plane. And I saw that the plane caught fire in the air. And at that time, the president was in the plane. And there were some of the party leaders in the plane with him. And the vision left me. And I said to the Lord, Lord, what does this mean? And the Lord said to me, go and say to them, what I have revealed to you is about to happen. And I'm going to show you what you will do, so that you and their leaders will do together.
Directions.
And it is a prophetic direction, so that what you have seen and have showed you will not manifest. It will not come to pass. Now, when I came to my consciousness, I called Nana Kwesi. And I told him, Nana, there is trouble. And if we don't act very fast, we will not hear good news. Because the enemy wants to quench the candle light, the flame of the candle. And I said to Nana Kwesi, call Bishop Ajiman Prepe for me. Headquarters. And then make a call to the party headquarters, NPP party headquarters. And I mean Bishop Ajima Prempe, Prophet Ajima Prempe. MPP for one year, Omo party leader. And I said Mr. Freddie Blay. And then I asked Bishop Ajima Prempe, who is the party chairman of NPP? And he told me it was Mr. Freddie Blay. And I told Bishop Ajiman Prepe to come to my house. So he came to my house, myself, Prophet Ajiman Prepe, and Reverend Nana Kwesi, the three of us. Bishop Ajiman Prepe is my witness. So Bishop Ajiman Prepe is my witness. So we placed the call and I told them, don't bother to drive here. I am driving there. I am coming there myself. Mr. Freddie Blay, Mr. Freddie Blay, don't come to me. I am coming to you. So we drove. Mr. Freddie Blay so when we got there, Muslim, when we got there, there was Mr. Freddie Blay was there. And there was another man who was a Muslim who was there. So when I got there, I told them the revelation I had seen. Now, even before I ended what I was saying, while I was speaking, Mr. Freddie Blay, the man who was seated with Mr. Freddie Blay, who is or was a Muslim, he screamed out with a loud voice. And he said, Prophet of God, what you have just told us, I had a dream about it last night. I saw it in my dream. Now listen to what the guy said. Now the man who was the Muslim seated with Mr. Freddie Blay said that he is gifted and he can see. No position. Now at that time he occupied a position either in the party or in government.
No, so therefore, some me so die a see.
And he told me, prophet of God, anytime I see something in a dream, it
Na
comes to pass.
anaju ade abetin na I'm so sad die.
But last dawn, I had a dream, and that is what I
Na
saw.
numpo na mabasa me be kan kire Mr. Freddy Blay ni aye hu bibi.
And that is what brought me to the party office to come and share the dream I have.
And now so be kan the same thing.
The dream I had with the party chairman, Mr. Freddie Blay, and you are here in the same moment, sharing the same revelation.
Honor Mr. Freddy Blay friend penifo bi or more party office.
So Mr. Freddie Blay invited some of the party officials who were at the party
Mr. Freddy
office
Blay
that
busa
day.
me say enti Odifo Owusu Bempah yanya ne dan.
And he asked me, Prophet Owusu Bempah, what shall we do?
Na me kire omo ne a wo say.
And I told them what they ought to do.
Na ye.
And together,
3 days.
we did it together
Continuously.
for 3 days, continuously.
Me ne masofo no I believe intercessors no kra me di bi kan ho koi.
I believe I
3
I
days.
selected some of the intercessors and some of my pastors, and we spent 3 days
Ye prayers and directions.
making prayer, 3 days making prayers,
MPP
prophetic
from
direction.
penifo no bebre bai. Bebre.
Lots of the leaders, lots of the leaders in MPP
Akukudam.
were there while we were praying.
Ye read direction and radical kire me say watie ye mpaibo.
Now, when we finished the direction which God gave me, the Lord said to me, He has heard our prayer.
2 weeks pepe 2 weeks.
Within 2 weeks,
Nana Akufo-Addo etu kwan US.
the president, Nana Akufo-Addo, was traveling.
I believe say about Joy Online. Papa ka.
Now, I believe that this story was reported on Joy Online.
About social media so those days.
It went viral on social media in those days.
Nana Akufo-Addo plane no taking off on the jato.
Now, when the plane wherein the president sat took off, one of the engines caught fire.
God being so good, nenya nruwiem and a pilot no
God
try
being
on
so
landing
good,
plane.
the altitude it had reached was not so high, so the pilot came down and landed.
Na me so hunu so ote plane ma jato wo so.
Now, before that
Enti si
day,
anya kwanse na amompae. And na plane na myem na jato wo so ho a.
before that day, the Lord had already given me a revelation that the president was traveling by air and the aircraft caught fire. And so imagine God did not reveal it, and even if after God had revealed it, we did not pray about it and we did not deal with it. Just imagine what would have happened.
On say we nyina ma anya hu didi.
You see, I didn't make noise about
Mumu bi
this.
okra monte sa asem we da.
Some of you will be hearing this for the very first time, perhaps.
Because ana yanya mfa hwahwa ye hu nti.
Because we don't do these things to boast about them.
Onyame nam yensu sevu ye president.
So
at
God
that
used the prophets and the servants of God to save the life of the president of Ghana at that time.
Enu nti me pesa me kan asem.
And so there is this point I want to make. I want to say this.
Asofo ne adifo mu o man yi mu.
Men of God and prophets in Ghana.
Se Ghana fo mu betie masem a.
If Ghanaians will listen to what I'm about to say,
Yenya omo.
let's leave the prophets and the men of God
Na de
alone,
on be hu bia no.
so that whatever they will see,
Ya to renchem.
which is destructive,
Omo nka.
and they will have the liberty to speak about it, talk about
Na
it,
yentu ho anamon.
and then the hearers will do something about it,
Na Awurade nya to renchem mfiri
so
yenso.
that God will deliver the nation from destruction.
Se ho bi mpo na opese oka.
Now,
Na usuro.
if you have a revelation and you want to talk about it, you'll entertain some amount of fear.
Because no
Because many people in the nation do not respect prophets, because they have labeled prophets as evil.
fake.
They call prophets names like fake prophets. Now, I cannot stand here and say to you that every prophet is of God.
But onyame mfa temu onhye me nsai de.
Now, so long as
Ntimi
God,
so mu obi aten. Agi nyame pe.
so long as God has not given me the power of judgment to judge others, I cannot judge anyone.
Sebinya mumi enyintum so se ebi so ye.
So, though it is true that there are some which are not genuine, some which are fake, let's also concede on the fact that there are some which are genuine and authentic. Not all of us are fake. There are many men of God that are genuine.
Even the officer on your mpo.
Now, even that person you believe to
Why
fake,
who
who made you a judge?
only when so be fie ni aten.
Who are you to judge someone of another man's house?
Enti kakra bi nye enti yen condemn ni nyina.
So the fact that a handful of them are not genuine, should we condemn all? Should we throw the baby out with the bathwater? Elijah said, let's prove which God has more power. And let's prove which God you should put your trust in. The prophets of Baal performed their rituals all day long, and they could not accomplish the mission. They could not call fire from heaven. Elijah said, pour water on the altar. Pour another round of water. Now there was so much water on the altar and even in the trenches around the altar. And the slaughtered bull was on the altar. And he lifted up his hands. He said, Universal Father,
Father of creation,
the Father of creation, prove to the nation today that you are indeed the God of all flesh. You are the God of all creation. And I, Elijah, I am your servant. Respond to my prayer by fire. Immediately there was lightning in heaven, and there was the sound of thunder, and heavens opened, and there was fire that was released from heaven upon the altar. Now this is the good news. The Bible said all the leaders of the nation bowed with their faces down, because they had seen a sign, including Ahab. They said, Elijah, your God is the true God we all should worship.
Not just Eliah or set a record no straight.
What it means is that Elijah set the record straight. Now, why am I moved to talk about these matters?
Politicians.
I want to speak to politicians. And I want to speak to people in general. Leaders. Workers. Listen to this and listen well. Now, that personality we ascribe or we call the universal Father, put your trust in him. Live your entire life with that God. Move about with that God. I am pleading with the nation to listen to this.
Christ,
the personality called Christ,
the anointed one,
the
Son of the living God, the Lord God, the Word of God, the Alpha and Omega, the Lion of the tribe of Judah. Not
just the God of Israel, not just the Savior of Israel, the Savior of the world. Believe in that God. Put your trust in that God. Live your life with God. and move with God. Have faith in God. As a nation, the president of the nation,
ministers,
the ministers, the vice president,
MPs,
and the members of parliament,
doctors,
lawyers,
businessmen,
businesswomen, and businesswomen,
youth, old men,
whosoever can hear the sound of my voice. The person I can recommend to you, the person of whom I can testify and boldly say to you
universal father,
that your end is going to be well when you follow, is Jesus Christ, the one who died and resurrected on the third day, and his father, the universal father. All the days of your life, you must live your life with the guidance of the Spirit of God. Now, what hurts me is that God has given this nation a great gift, but we despise the gift God has given us. There are men of God that stay close to the throne of God. My fathers in the Lord and my grandparents in the Lord, and spiritually they are standing strong and upright as men of valor. Men of valor. But because there are some people in this nation who have no regard, no honor and respect for men of God, we have despised the good gifts God has given us, and we make no good use of it. So now somebody can just draw the camera and before him and would ridicule or insult, cast aspersions, deride all manner of adjectives. They will use all manner of words against men of God who are empowered and anointed by God. And there are subscribers. Now the reason they have that effrontery to speak against the men and women of God anointed by God is that perhaps they believe that they have empowered themselves. They have some minute every nation that rebels every nation that speaks against the prophets of God designated for that nation eventually heads toward a ditch. Curses come upon the nation.
Say the great dragon or Chiasiano or Fanakodia no deba or manumua. And I'm saying ya sopa near Yamia, you know. So Onina or mine none musrani ni to me and come on mine. Ya dinner tama amane bofwa no who deal janachi at the Nesagunachi. Ubo who said Sum fee to me chief manum no man is your pini. Yawani said dear soft watem. Send my own a divorce into Hunu into Omu into Fasoben or almost. And Thanksgiving Mukoya in Echi and Tissay Nessie. Now, more deal for more software. No more support with deal matem. No, my Yami powerful. Ufri so bronsam, what an Akodia Banyame or Bembiana or Mempi. Cosebra or Media Niti a Bema software. Now,
because we have no regard for men of God, we insult them, we ridicule them, we cast aspersions at them, we do all manner of stuff against them. Anytime there is a call for duty. Anytime the devil and his cohorts arise and they want to launch an attack upon the nation, because we have insulted them and brought their honor to nothing, the angels of God that are supposed to rise and fight, they put their hands behind them. And so the devil comes, he has a free flight in the nation and does all manner of things he wants to do in the nation and brings sorrow upon the nation. And after that, they will still have the courage to take a camera again and insult men of God, and will say about men of God that, are there not men of God in this nation? How come this has happened in this nation? But how would it not happen? I'm sorry. How would it not happen if you continue to disregard and do not show honor and disrespect men of God who are supposed to intercede for the nation? And until the nation rises and until the nation becomes conscious of these things, the hand of the Lord will be on. Very soon, I'm going to end what I'm saying.
Osofo,
Papa,
yankan hunu se oman biara onyankopon ewo tumi a ebo oman ne ho ban.
now let's remember that for every nation there is an entity, or there is some form of power God has released to protect the nation.
Na tumi na obo oman ne ho ban no, aya na obronsam susu release so no so tumi so nkunti asa tumi.
Now the devil also releases his own entities to fight against the divine entity God has designated for a nation.
Odi kai Daniel ko nyame anim.
So just remember, or let me remind you about Daniel when he went before
Oh,
God.
nyame suma angel Gabriel.
God sent angel Gabriel
Some fan hunu mo mra Daniel.
to bring insight and understanding to Daniel.
Hwesa prince of Persia and
Now,
na kontokwa.
the princes of Persia withstood Gabriel and fought with Gabriel.
Onyame tumi kese. E wo hono so obebo oman ho ban.
Now the power of God is available to protect the nation.
But obronsam so wo tumi kese.
But Satan also has great power
Peso kuntia sa nyame tumi.
designated against this nation to wrestle against the power God
Oye ni
has
sunsun mu
released.
na ontumi a. Na oyusu nipa e wo oman no e di tia. Sunsun kese no. Wo mu a opeso fo mo so ye nhira ma oman.
So when Satan rises spiritually against those entities God has designated for the nation and does not prevail, then it devises another strategy and now uses physical means, people.
Enti afei ana peso so Owusu Bempah nkom hwehwe.
So now you want to prove and test the prophecy of Prophet Owusu Bempah.
Asofo kakrakafo bi omu oman mu afei na oman mu pese mu so omu tumi hwa na.
Now, is it this time that people in this nation want to test or try the power of God on the lives of the men He has anointed? Until when? For how long?
And politicians e di boni ani die e be ma asofo ne adifo.
For how long would we wait for politicians to show honor,
Onyame nam yenso aye bi pa.
respect
Ye
to
kan
men
se
of
nyame
God?
ene monyam.
Now we say this is the glory of God. God
Na
has
ebi
used
ni na ye
His
omo hu
name
se.
tremendously.
Omo nyintumi.
But there are some people who have just decided they would refuse to believe.
E no mu kasatie nyame asofo.
And they are speaking
Kasatie
against
nyame
the
adifo.
men and the women of God, the prophets of God of the
Enam
land,
sunsun fi ahye omo ment.
because of the evil spirits that have possessed their
E
hearts.
di ebiem ana omo hwehwe
What
nsenche ne
else do they
bebi.
want to see? What other sign do
Yanka
they want to
di
see? What else should we say?
E di ebiem na
What else?
Ghana fo pese omu.
What else
Ansa na omu di buo ne ani dia ma
do
adifo.
Ghanaians
Ene
want to
aso.
see
Di ebiem.
before they will show honor and respect to men of God
Yate Ghana
of
ha.
the land? We were in Ghana.
Enya se me lift you obi keke ba me ka fact.
Now I am not lifting anybody, but I am addressing
Ena
a fact.
president for timi travel. Ebi efri abrochire ebi free Africa. Etimi be hwehwe sofo pon bi o Ghana ha. A me makono ho akoto bebre wo ho. Eye Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams. Makono ho no makoto aman penfo bebre o ma pa. Ebeje mpaibo no ma san akọ. Ebi kra person mu win election e wo mu man mu a. O mu ba ne ho. Asu papa yi nipa fie betimi twe camera si nanim no odi papa yi atem.
Now we are all here in Ghana, and we hear of men from other countries, presidents, dignitaries from other countries that come here to Ghana in search of one man of God. One man of God. There are people who desire to contest elections in their countries. They will just come for a simple prayer from him, and they will go to their countries and do what they want, pursue what they want to do. Yet, we'll find a non-entity. Somebody will find somebody who's got nothing, pick a camera and insult this great man.
Enti Ghana for beso mu kire se omunso Owusu Bempah na die nwosra omunso nhwe enti omunhu die biem no mpese omunhu omuboa bebrebe anim na omamu kwa so bronsan fo omuso ensopaye
now
na enhira awaso amani nya tru yen no ebo man no na to renchem sisi basabasa because nyame the odo ye no obi bedi watama sopaw am obi mpoti obeka se ene da bredo mu ye na fake da branya papa minianom o me kan sem bi nchira mo hwe nyame nam Owusu Bempah me so to the glory of God. Yesu na ye ba ofa me mu so far as e wat asefo asase so de nyame nya bibi ade so fa nipa mu sa no obronsam so nya bibi ade so nya nipa dua nyame nam me so asevu president bi life nyame nam me so asevu vice president bi life nyame nam me so asevu second lady bi life enkosi da ben ebrebi muni aso dem hanom na NDC for koye program bi e won fantemam me gina hanom stop asore me bomb pa 15 minutes e ma omo se mehu se omo nan cruises bi enya accident Sunday Monday ene sisi ye Monday binum ka nan cruiser sama so to ye muni ha ene nya me kasa kire me ma me kan se vice mahu so benya accident na on survival me ne na kwasi ye call vice fie busa me senti dia no nye me man the direction satan na Gideon Boako no what they saying Gideon Boako fine na me ma kwankere omunye akwankere no vice na accident tapra de kwanso me car no buamfuni e ma car ne car be shia driver ni tite aso bibia anya vice president e dia biem na car na 4 person mu so ye kire se wei na betena Ghana konwa so ne watena so ampa wei on tena so ampa on tena so wei betena so no atena so ampa dia bio na Ghana fo hwehwe amumfa buom ma adifo mu soro ye se mu pa bibi dia na mo hwehwe mu sakawie dia fidie ne chi abo na ni sonko e jano so ani sonko bon sam na Jesus papa diam kan ni na chirem osafu chirem.
Now are Ghanaians saying that they've not tried and tested the anointing on the life of Prophet Owusu Bempah? Now by the grace of God, it is Jesus who has done all these things. So we say all these things to the glory of God. Yet Jesus needed a personality who had availed himself to use. In like manner, when Satan wants to do something, he finds a person that he will use, an instrument he's going to use. In this nation, God has used me to save the life of a president. God has used me to save the life of a vice president, the life of a first lady, and even the second lady. There was a time that I had a revelation about the vice president that he would be involved in an accident and he would lose his life. I went to his office. I told him about it.
Not his office, his house.
I went to his house.
Thank you.
Told him about it. His personal assistant, Mr. Gideon Boako, was there. He would bear me witness on this fact. And I told him what to do. He did it by the grace of God. Even though he was involved in the accident, God rescued his life and he did not die through the accident. I remember years ago when NDC went for their congress somewhere in the central region. On Sunday, we stood here, prayed for 15 minutes, interceding for them because God had given me a revelation that some of their vehicles will be involved in accidents on their way back. Monday, it was in the news. Many of them were involved in accidents. Their vehicles somersaulted many times, but God rescued them. Are we saying we do not know the power of God? It is like when they want something, they will come and seek and test the power of God. When they get it, they will despise it, neglect it, and relegate it.
My final words. Now
this is my final word.
Nyame mami hu bibi afa religious leader bi ehun Ghana ha.
Now God revealed something to me about a certain religious leader in Ghana.
Me kai the confusion see.
Now when I declared what the Lord when I declared what the Lord has showed me, there was confusion. Some people came to this premises to vandalize our auditorium. Now the day I met with the man himself, I went to his house. He took me to his bedroom.
Nana uru bedroom hobby. One uru hobby. Open. Good. But now I saw for bebre ho meboa. But no munyina ho. Ode me call the bedroom. And ode me tena ne mpaso.
So he took me to his bedroom and offered me to sit on his bed.
Ode me tena bed ne so na ne mpanifo ho start so mu edin kramo kasa atiem.
Now when he asked me to sit on his bed, the leaders of that religion who were there in the room, they started shouting and saying things in Arabic language. Now, I will not tell you the details of the conversation we had, but I just want to single out one thing that he said.
Prophet.
He said to me, Prophet, what you saw is true, because I have also seen it. So he said to me, Prophet, whatever you have to do for me, the remedy for the situation, just do it. And he said now on behalf of
I'm telling you,
on behalf of my leaders and my boys who came to destroy your property, I'm apologizing on their behalf. They don't see what I see. They don't know what I know. Yet Ghanaians insulted me. Now, if I want to tell you details of what he said to me, I'm sure you'll be shocked.
Finally,
now finally, I had a conversation with the Archbishop,
and I'm catching Archbishop say,
and I said to him,
my fra,
I said to him that I've made several calls.
My friend will be for 3 months.
I had been calling somebody to come and see me for 3 months. Because something is about to happen.
3 good months.
So for 3 months, I had invited this person to come and see me.
Weekend me Papa.
He would say, "Oh, Papa, I'll come this weekend." And he kept tossing me about every now and then.
More bintina baby kase enti adifo na hu. Unnim dia woka. Unyam nnusu nunum tontene kankan. Opa bowra mpani num na hwe se wonti biribia. Me ka cha bishop say, "Papa, catch up any someone na plane. I move every Accra say ko Tamale, Accra say ko Kumase, Accra say ko baby." Antesa yanti asempa.
So I
Archbishop, I am a witness.
I said to the Archbishop, he will bear me witness on this. I said, please say to him not to sit in any aircraft moving from Accra to Tamale or Accra to Kumasi or Accra to any destination within.
When you said yes,
do you know what has happened? It's not the last. It's not the end. I will end it here. Let's show due regard, due honor, and respect to men of God, men of God, my fathers,
ministers,
Ghanaians and ministers in Ghana.
Me suffer penny, my grandfather, me modin, you will be so no binyam paibo, sense of a hunu bribi. Nipana, my grandfather, you know, so ne asumesibi, and yam paibono. Soften France Messi on Fanaco. ɔfrɛ no ɔmfa ɛna deɛ bɛsi anya si pran ayɛ na mufi sɛ yɛka no kɛkɛ a obɛtumi twe camera na ɔdidi abu sɔpatam abrɔnyɛ na ɔdi abu sɔpatam na nkurɔfoɔ ayɛ din ɔsɔfo ma memfa nsi wɔ ha na mebo yɛ afu hwɛ montie me nyame asɔfo wɔ kurom ha.
Now indeed there are anointed men of God in this nation.
Minim dia me papa Victor Osei aka kyerɛ me.
I know what my father Victor Osei has said to
afɔ man ho ne nneɛma bi
concerning this nation and other things.
Wonim nneɛma asɔfo mpanimfoɔ hu.
Do you know the things that men of God in this nation see?
Yɛ nneɛma bi afei me da simpo ɛbɔ me spiritual father yi. Thank you keke. Thank you keke. Afrisa nesai. Se nya nyame honhom na ahya ne ma. Mu hia mo a obeye. Adenti na mo yesa. Ade no se mo hia de a. Na mo hwehwe yen kitikiti. Mo saka wi a. Aya anya hia hwe afiri obi a ho. But chia osofo obi a wonyame chusu no a oyɛ king nyame chusu priest and prophet ɛka ne ho adentra ɔme bia ɛwɔ ne nyame but nyame ni nyinaa hyɛ nyankopɔn ɛfɛ universal father na se ɛna ɔme bia ɛwɔ dom bi ekuo bi a onyame yi wɔ mo a susum ɔmo di ɔman n'anim a honam mu umfa wani hu no ɛyɛ fact. It is empty kase obi ntimi ntina Ghana konya kase so without Owusu Bempah ana nkrofo bi di matem na monson hwe wan watena Ghana konya no so without Owusu Bempah monson hwe na mo firi se mechanic kwa ni freni kaso de bo bebo officer ni nansi bi so wo firi se menam ho kwa minua nyame abeme uni ma me ka kire tie na me ka se mo nkire asofo enya me nku na nyame abe mi o asofo akuku da mo me mo nyame abe wo mo chen suman first pa no krobia ahinie won bia ahinie bia won konfo krobia won konfo ahinie bia won suman akonya bia won suman Krobem and I hear on ma only in a comfort. Sa soon and a mimu, sa soon a watch as a fasa so. Presidential city bia on a spiritual head. Pagana Akonyane Sihano and your comfort and on your mediation inside, but a software any a software. Ya papa no masofo bi ya nana no masofo bi ene ya no madinfo bi wo ye firi ma nyeye mene me grandpapa ene masofo mpanifo wontimi ntena Ghana konya so abra wo ne ya nhia enyeye ena mo tena so wi a aya mo ntie de ebeka aya mo men na mo ntie de ebeka motumi ya saa mo beche saa ni pe ya me grandfather yi eyi osofo bi se wo hu bibi nto ne nya bibi se bibi nsi ka saa brantie wo tie ya koda so tie ase me mpese me bo saa ni panidi today I don't want to mention names but church me kotrase na mo amun suro adifo ne asofo e blebi ba mo bagwe mo se me ba cho tie me bomoden se obetra Awurade Kristo mda efiri se wiye munye ebrewe enya bre papa nyame na me so kan sem papa for man hu bad niam aboni am hu ye 31st pa na me kan kakra bi de aka nyina me ye se me ni mpanifo bedi hu nkomo wo kokoam no obi aba betena Ghana konya so e prosipani mo odiifoɔ bi anhyɛ nkɔm esi so a yɛsɛ nti adiifoɔ no ɔmo ehunu yɛkɔka so a yɛsɛ yɛmfia nkɔ court yɛatomra yɛakɔ so fia panic eti yɛnyɛ dɛn kɔsi bɔnsɛm Jesus Christ.
So when nsɛm a Owusu Bempah ɛwɔ de ka obetuma kyerɛ wadwene ama me ɛwɔ comment section aha Penyah Media agra